DJI has once again managed to stir excitement in the creator world. Just when it seemed the Pocket gimbal camera had reached perfection, 2025 is turning into the year that changes everything. Rumors and leaks from inside DJI's supply chain have confirmed that not one, but two new Pocket cameras are coming: the DJI Pocket 4 and the more powerful Pocket 4 Pro. Both are expected to land later this year, and early hints suggest a bold step forward that could redefine what a pocket-sized camera can truly achieve. The new models reportedly maintain the same design language fans love, but with a modern twist. DJI has managed to shave off about 35% of the weight compared to the Pocket 3, making it even easier to carry while keeping the rotating viewfinder that so many creators adore. The sleek form factor will make slipping the device into your pocket effortless, but don't let the small size fool you. This thing is built for big results. Inside, the real story begins. The Pocket 4 is said to feature a 50-megapixel 1.3-inch Omnivision sensor, the same one found in top-tier smartphones from brands like Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi. This means incredible detail, dynamic range, and color reproduction, likely enhanced even further through Hasselblad color tuning and DJI's advanced image processing. Eye-assisted modes will make every frame cinematic, while improved zoom and autofocus promise smooth creative control even in fast-paced scenes. Low-light performance is expected to get a major boost, but the Pocket 4 Pro might take things even further, possibly introducing a dual-lens setup for unmatched flexibility and depth. Pricing will probably hover around the Pocket 3's $628 range, though the Pro version could nudge higher thanks to its expanded features. DJI's goal seems clear: double down on performance, portability, and creativity for on-the-go filmmakers. But DJI isn't stopping there. With the Osmo Action 6 also on the horizon, 2025 could be the most exciting year yet for content creators. Imagine a camera that not only fits in your pocket but also syncs seamlessly with your smartwatch. Early whispers suggest that both Apple Watch and Garmin users will be able to control recording, switch modes, and monitor live metrics like heart rate, altitude, or even dive data right from their wrist. For Garmin fans, exclusive metrics like cadence and power tracking could make the integration even more compelling. It's like turning your wrist into a personal command center for your camera adventures. The specs being tossed around are nothing short of impressive. A 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of delivering crisp, detailed footage with up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range could make this camera a dream come true for filmmakers and vloggers. The video options reportedly include 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and silky smooth 4K at 120 FPS slow motion, pushing creative possibilities further than ever before. Combine that with a 1950 mAh battery capable of lasting over 4 hours while recording in 4K, and you've got a beast disguised as a pocket gadget. The addition of USB-C with possible DisplayPort output could even let you plug directly into a monitor for real-time previews or quick playback. Meanwhile, the comparison between the DJI Action 5 Pro and the rumored Action 6 paints an equally exciting picture. The Action 5 Pro, with its 1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 40-megapixel stills, already offers a dynamic range of 13.5 stops and excellent low-light performance. But if leaks are true, the Action 6 will take things up a notch with a full 1-inch sensor, dramatically improving clarity and brightness, especially in dim environments. 8K video recording could soon become standard for adrenaline junkies filming skydives, mountain trails, or deep-sea dives. Stabilization remains a key focus. The Action 5 Pro already impresses with 4K 120 FPS video and horizon steady stabilization that keeps every frame buttery smooth. The Action 6, though, may revolutionize it with AI-powered rock-steady 4.0 and 360 horizon leveling, meaning no matter how chaotic your motion gets, the horizon stays locked and level. That's a game-changer for filmmakers capturing intense motion or sports footage. Battery life is set to improve as well. The 5 Pro already offers up to 4 hours of 4K recording with its 1950 mAh battery, but the Action 6 could stretch that even further, letting creators shoot high-resolution footage for longer adventures. Durability remains top tier, with waterproofing up to 20 meters and the ability to function in freezing temperatures down to -20°C. When it comes to DJI's broader ecosystem, another major highlight is the DJI Neo 2 drone, officially confirmed to launch in November 2025. This compact FPV-style drone is generating major buzz across the drone community, with FCC filings and insider forecasts aligning perfectly. A mid-November announcement seems almost guaranteed. Set to start at $229, the Neo 2 aims to blend cinematic capability with portability, catering to both beginners and creators on the go. It's not just about flying, it's about storytelling. Equipped with AI-driven tracking, active AirTrack 6.0, gesture control, and even voice commands, the Neo 2 practically flies itself while you focus on framing your shot. Available in several bundles, the top-tier Fly More Combo Motion Control Edition includes DJI's signature motion controller and FPV accessories, giving pilots a deeply immersive flying experience. With a small footprint, powerful features, and a creator-focused design, the Neo 2 might just become the go-to entry-level cinematic drone for 2025. And if that wasn't enough, DJI's FPV division is also preparing something big: the DJI Avata 3. Following the Avata 2's success, this next-generation FPV drone is expected to debut sometime between late 2025 and early 2026, aligning with DJI's usual 18 to 20-month release cycle. The Avata 3 could include a much larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering even richer color, sharper detail, and superior low-light performance. This would mark a serious leap toward professional-grade FPV videography. The improvements don't stop at image quality. The Avata 3 might bring advanced color grading profiles and raw video support for better control in post-production. Flight performance is also rumored to receive major upgrades: longer flight times approaching 30 minutes, thanks to better batteries and more efficient motors. That's a massive jump from the Avata 2's 23-minute limit. Stabilization is also getting a serious overhaul. While the Avata 2 already featured impressive rock-steady and horizon-steady systems, the Avata 3 might introduce a hybrid stabilization system that combines electronic and mechanical gimbal technologies, resulting in ultra-smooth footage even during high-speed maneuvers. Pair that with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and you've got a drone that can confidently navigate tight, complex environments with minimal risk. Accessibility remains at the heart of DJI's design philosophy. The Avata 3 will likely feature simplified flight controls, updated flight modes, and compatibility with new generation DJI RC Motion 3 controllers and DJI Goggles 3, making the FPV flying experience more intuitive and comfortable. AI-powered flight assistance could help beginners capture cinematic shots effortlessly through pre-programmed flight paths or automatic subject tracking. All these innovations paint a clear picture. DJI is entering a new era where cameras, drones, and action gear are becoming smarter, lighter, and more connected than ever. Whether you're an aspiring vlogger, a professional filmmaker, or an adventure junkie chasing the next thrill, 2025 could be the year your creative tools finally catch up with your imagination. DJI isn't just refining its technology, it's redefining the boundaries of what creators can do. The only question left is, which one of these groundbreaking devices will you grab first?